G'day, it's Susie again. I'd like to demonstrate how I can manipulate packs using the FreeBee PAK Cart Basic, which I've written based on the Microbee version 5.29 Premium Basic. This allows us to manipulate packs, copy packs in and out of memory, and move packs around. So this is using the FreeBee 4MB PAK Cart Coreboard, which has up to 4 megabytes of flash memory in packs, and it runs on the FreeBee Fremium mainboard. So first things first, let's list our packs. You can see I've got a few programs in there. I can run a program at random, so I'll run pack 0 imjust. So this is a game that we all know and love from the early 80s. As you can see, I didn't have to bother loading that from tape because it's already in pack and I can just run it. Don't you love that irritating noise? So I'll go back to basic, list our packs again. So this is similar to doing a directory on a CPM machine, but I'm making use of the list keyword in basic. So now I'd like to copy a pack on. So LOAD to PAK is the magic key, and I'll hit play, and then I'll just describe what I'm doing. So I'm actually using an iPad as the tape deck. I've created cassette games I have a list of cassette games on my iPad that are all stored at twice speed 2400 baud. Because I've modified the basic to allow twice speed loading using LOAD. But in this case, I'm actually loading into a pack rather than just loading to run. So if I say to pack number, it'll load to a specific number, but to pack, it just takes the first available pack. So give it a moment and it'll finish. The beep means it's finished loading, and then it finishes copying that into pack. So now if I list my packs, you'll see I've got Ghost Muncher. So if I type pack 10, that's Ghost Muncher. Isn't that awesome? Kill that, because I'm actually really hopeless at playing Ghost Muncher. And let's now demonstrate what happens if you actually want to give your packs to others. So pack list again. Here's my packs. So for I equals 0 to 11, PAK copy I to I plus 64. Now the plus 64 is because the second pack, which is on a cartridge, is from pack 64 to 127, next I. This is going to take a minute or so because I'm actually copying quite a lot of data onto the pack and onto the flash, and I have to wait for a little while between each byte for that to happen, because the flash isn't instantaneous and the Microbee is actually pretty damn slow. Anyway, it's quicker than tape. So now if I list my packs, you'll see it's basically doubled up. I've got everything there from 0 to 10 and then from 64 to 74. So now I can just remove that pack cartridge, just pull it out of the machine like so. That's actually what it looks like. It's just a flash memory with a little switch for write protect, and that's basically it. It's able to plug into my board, but it's also able to plug into my friends' boards. So that's now got all of my packs on it. I can give that to them and they can copy it onto their machine in exactly the same way that I copied it off. Thanks for listening.